Hello fellow planters. This video is an update on a video I posted over a year ago on rescuing a dying Hoya. I had this Hoya that was happy, and then I planted it in a pot, put it above the refrigerator, and it wasn't receiving much light and started to die. So it was a happy Hoya, and then it was a dying Hoya. So I redid the soil media by putting a lot of large particulates. Of course, these pieces you see at the top are Mosquito Bits because I have it in a pot without drainage holes, and I did overwater it to make sure it survives because I think it may not have been receiving a lot of water either. And that led to a gnat infestation. But along the windowsill over here I do have a few dead gnats, so it seems like it is starting to work. Anyway, I had it under a west-facing windowsill for quite a while until recently, and it wasn't really growing much, but it was still alive. You know, a lot of times plants need to establish their roots before they start growing more foliage, and it typically wouldn't take that long to establish roots. It just wasn't getting a lot of light, even though it was in a bright setting. But here along the windowsill, which it's been here for about a couple months now, not quite a couple months, probably about a month or so, month and a half at best, it's finally starting to produce new shoots. So the plant is finally starting to recover. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Happy planting, and don't forget to subscribe.